Boom. DJ Dreadbeard.
Previously on Avatar.
I always have to introduce somebody. Vybz Kartel, come up. Because Vybz Kartel is the next artist so I bring on the scene. You know, me as a man, me always take a lot to start up. Vybz Kartel.
10 years later.
Killer got dead as thing.
Alright, so by reading the title and the thumbnail and the little clip that I just show, I go play the rest of it, but as you can see, it's a screen record, I screen record it. I no bother download it, so I want to say I hit Bounty Killer post. So Bounty Killer just repost that and he must say some things in the comment section, so we are going to read the comments them too. You see me? And something where him say in the comments make me have to run out and say, yo, I seal, you know. You see to all Vybz Kartel deal with the situation, like him not say nothing to nobody, him just silent. Bounty Killer say it in the comment, you know, say, yo, 3 weeks now, I shoot off him and him not answer. You see the silence the way Vybz Kartel give all of them. I hit a mad everybody in the dancehall, you know. Everybody will say, yo, him have to answer this and him have to do that, and Vybz Kartel now look at them. I seal, and we have one brother where I link the reason why Sir P leave YouTube to Vybz Kartel. I remember the first time when I said that. You see me? Yeah, so other people I come to the same conclusion right now. I don't know my channel. From me see somebody say the same thing when I say, I go feature them for me could know say, and me alone I made the way there. You see me? So the same silence there, it kills Sir P too. It a kill everybody in the dancehall. Yo, it's a wicked psychology move Vybz Kartel make, you know. Him now look, yo, Vybz Kartel rather answer one girl in a one comment where this see them right now more than for answer Bounty Killer and Sir P them. You not see him do it all the while. When them go after see them, him answer them on the live. So people know say him will answer you, but him just choose for don't answer me, which is Bounty Killer, and him choose for don't answer me, which is Sir P. And that I kill everybody, you know, but yo, let me introduce myself to the new viewers and the new subscribers. I am DJ Dreadbeard, and if you're new to this channel, please subscribe. I beg you to like up the video, and if you want to support the channel, drop a super thanks in the comment section. And if you don't know how to drop a super thanks, the diagram the right that's up on the screen, it is under every video side of the share button, the download button, the click button, everything. But yo people, we are going to talk about everything. We are going to read the comment. The one is a quick and fast. From yesterday format here, you know, say a quick and fast. I'm soon forward.
DJ Dreadbeard. Subscribe now.
Insight, informative entertainment vlog.
Yeah, DJ Dreadbeard. If they really make out a goal, a man that kill a man for you and full of dirt. Can't escape mankind. No, I mean man mean. So just like and share, subscribe and comment. Zane, Bourbon's one link.
Last and a real. This is Vybz Kartel, and I'm representing for Lala. And guess what? Yeah, me make your boom boom happy. Me make your boom boom smile. Me make your boom boom sing sometime. La la, la 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 la. La 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 la.
If it doesn't matter your size or your shape, you just know say you look good. It means that you have the steam fish and okra body.
I'm out.
Yeah man, the little Lala be there. Have the steam fish and okra body. But yo, them things Vybz Kartel is unbothered. Every day him just say some things on TikTok and him is unbothered. Them things a killer. You see me? Pun intended. It a kill killer, it a kill Sir P, it a kill the whole dancehall, Irish and Chin, everybody we have been. I see with some can attack reasoning. Don't forget. Type it anyway. When you see them attack them nonsense, can attack reasoning. You see me? But we are going to play the full thing. Our Bounty Killer repost. So you get how deep this is. You see me? Oh, him a hurt. Yo, Bounty Killer need a hug right now. He's hurting. Get him a new therapist. Cause the one we have right now, it not help. Yo, the people them write something in the comment section. But me just pick out few we have to read out and react to. You see me? Some people are wonder how it reach right as a dog. But me could play the full thing how them conjure up. Me know say some Alliance fan conjure up that still, but him repost it and him say some things in the comment section where at first we really hear my call Vybz Kartel name, so they have to run out.
Me always have to introduce somebody. Vybz Kartel, come up. Because Vybz Kartel is the next artist so I bring on the scene. You know, so me as a man, me always take a lot to start up. Vybz Kartel.
10 years later.
Killer got dead as thing. Seen, and then the teacher said that. So, remember last year with the coffin with the barber, we have built a new one this year. Seeing for Bounty Killer. So
A few moments later.
Bounty Killer is all news right now where Vybz Kartel is concerned. How can the hottest DJ in Jamaica clash a dinosaur? That is like Vybz Kartel is trying to raise the dead, and I'm not into spiritualism.
Killer, you are not the big man. This Gaza, you can't live long. Stop fuck the girl, them in a them body and blood up the sheet up a hill down.
10 years earlier.
But I'm going to love you, Lord. See, not to that. Man, I'm not fuck that, but me not. Well, I'm that. No fool, I'm not. I sleep divine. I mean, I'm a sleep divine. And I sleep divine. No, this is not a patient, but. Hold up. Rather man, no, this is what you can't, this is what the young artists do like that near the end of the public. You ever set the example? So me I say,
Half a killer bring him and stand up against Buju Banton one time and diss him, you know. When Buju grab the mic from you 2001 over Portmore, in a boy. Yeah, come tell the boy you come from Portmore. Where your Portmore friend them did there when Buju grab the mic from you? And me have to say, no, Gargamel, the youth of today is the man of tomorrow. Only for cartel. You bite the hands that feed you, you're going to suffer.
Yo, you see the thought that we make about suffer? Them man never want Vybz Kartel to come out of prison, you know. And me have one video where me I go do. Me I drop it later or tomorrow or whenever. Me I drop it after this. You see me? For prove say Vybz Kartel never did in a no hurry for link all Bounty Killer when him just found out of prison. Cause Vybz Kartel would have know them something I say. Them man never want him to come out of prison. You see me? Yo, I me tell you something. You know why System, the song Massacre sing, it not have no effect? Because of the past. There's no way you can expose the past. Well, if you want to get technical, you can expose the past if it never known. If it never known, like something you do and it never public, yeah, you can expose that. But this a public knowledge where everybody know. So when Massacre run out and talk about System, Lisa Hype and Kim, that had no effect on Vybz Kartel. I do some man will hate Vybz Kartel and make it look like say something big Massacre do. So same way like how System never have no effect on Vybz Kartel. This way Bounty Killer do right now. I repost some things when Buju grab the mic. We done been through that. Remember what they was say Buju go Barclays and thing and all of that little grab a mic thing they did. Wrap up and forgiveness go on. So everybody forgive whether it real or not, whether Buju Banton did real or not. Yo, we have to live with it. It's already gone. You can't change the past. You see me? So that is why them something here, it only go hurt you, Bounty Killer more. It not the Vybz Kartel, because the world don't know, say, that they go on. You see me? Him sing some song and, but, yo, we read some comments here, man. I remember I'm telling him I not stay long. Alright, so see one alliance man where him not have a clue what go on. Him not have a clue. Say Bounty Killer try mash up the bag with DJ Khaled. You see me? That's why me telling us my channel need to get bigger. So the knowledge of me have, yeah, it need to go widespread. So the brother here is an Alliance fan and I tell Bounty Killer said, delete this fam. They're gonna take this the wrong way. It's the Gaza group we don't like. So him now have a clue, you know, say the bad man where they in a killer it turn up on a different level, you know, hurt him sad, you know. So Killer answer to him now and say, let that sink in. Them two blood clot, ungrateful and bright. All Kartel you think him no. All Kartel I think him doesn't see his little nasty fans them disrespecting me over my own choice of opinion weeks now. Did you saw him came out and address them? All no.
Hold it there, right? Oh God. I feel the pain there, right?
You think him never saw when Gaza fungus, Gaza uncle him attack, you know. This me, mad puss, one Kevin, one Gavin, Chano. And the little minions telling me about my mother. And me help Kartel, not him help me. So if him can stand and watch them dissing me and don't address it, say a lot. I care zero at this point. Me know my side and I'm sticking to it. Anything after them no more than me. I care zero at this point now. Me know my side and I'm sticking to it. Anything after them no more than me. As he would say. Same I use Vybz Kartel talk back right there. So you see me, but so if you don't know, that is a direct message to Vybz Kartel. You see him call him name like all the way him do. him always use some code and some gimmicks and some lizard him might try. You see me? But him finally, him pressure boss. And him call Vybz Kartel name and I say, yo, weeks now me a shoot off a dog and the dog now reply. Just like how them a say, yo, Vybz Kartel have to answer Massacre. I saw him a say, yo, Vybz Kartel have to go answer me. You see me? Arrest me and take him crown. Me don't know how delusional the Jamaicans are right now, but the haters them will say anything at this point. Say, yo, Vybz Kartel have to go answer Bounty Killer. You see me? But yo, the comment section, me I read two comments here, man. All nasty Gaza germs them too ungrateful, and if anybody was a snake, tell them to take a good look. And I did put all of this behind me with forgiveness. So now I'm just gonna school them with history. You see me? Yo, the dog never put on nothing. The dog they want Vybz Kartel stay in prison. You see me? Yo, and as me say, but why now? Leave certain things behind. Weren't they just all on DJ Khaled making music together? Exactly. You see me? Kartel unbothered and success a beat him. He couldn't hold it no more. Facts that again. Look like them these songs where Kartel write still a replay in your head. Kartel did for come out and sit down at Jamaica in the same house where him did left before him lock up. Trust me, there would be no problem. So that one, yo, I fax this, I'ma say this already. If Vybz Kartel never get him visa and him just there at Jamaica, Bounty Killer would have happy, man. You see me? Whereas if Bounty Killer get fame visa and Vybz Kartel never get him visa, oh gosh, man. You don't even hear a word out about Bounty Killer, you see me? But we are going to play what the brother asked about Sir P.
Sir P finally admits him flop and say him done with YouTube. Let me tell you something, people. You see what Billy have the potential to kill you. Let me tell you something. Yo, I did find the foundation from Politics Watch Foundation, but I not consider myself in PIA squad. I not consider that, but I did find the foundation. Come here, I say, bam, bam, I love this. This feel like a little vigilante, rise up and, you know, I expose and I bring justice to the society, and it felt so real, you understand? But me start to notice instead of Politics Watch, it changed to Gaza Watch. It become a Gaza Watch and it become a cartel movement, anti-cartel movement. And I say, seriously, I start notice that this brother is not about justice as we him claim for say. Him is about views. And him keep on refer to cartel people them as sheep. But me tell you something, you see the PIA people them are the real sheep. Come here and show you something. Enough time him use them get views and them just brush it off and say, whatever. Yeah, we did there. And people, check out this Sunday. This Sunday I'm going to drop a banger. All artists, your favorite artist is in trouble. Your favorite artist is not coming out of prison. You say, bombard. What this him I go drop now? You start clean up your house for a Saturday night. You start do everything. I'll cook your cookie rice and peas for a Saturday night because you don't want no trouble on Sunday. When I see some bomb and turn on this backside, I see y'all look at him like, really? And this you come at that, bro? My mama tell you something. My daddy, I remember when this man dropped the popcorn cartel war analyze popcorn video. Bam! I'm saying, all of the local clans video them me do not get them attraction, yeah. They them do one video. They make me know say I'm a real pussy. When he talk about say, them catch him and him give up now, this is it. Remember, you know, this man not reach 100k yet, you know. And in a 3 days, this man do over how much K's, you know. Because people say, this is it, on the back, guys, I'm going to give my subscription, oh God. So, you see, cartel freedom destroyed Surfy movement. Let me tell you something. I eat build it and I eat kill it. Can I tell you something? Him talk all of these big things. So, you know, people say, Bomba, that me say cartel come and roast this on new case, I'm going to go back in. And then when you see cartel come out, I live unbothered, not give a damn, you understand? It just crumble all of that. So you notice him views them does see him views them nowadays. So him attack all of this thing and attack like, bro, rare, enough views, make him a left. Bro, your work never started. Your work started, bro. But you can't say about your work finished. You ended your work. Not with signing off YouTube. By signing on to Vybz Kartel career, you ended your career. Because you were never authentic. People of Jamaica.
Yeah, man, me only glad say I know me alone. I made it the way there, you see me? Yeah, because I would have done link him a leave YouTube to Vybz Kartel. Because you have your big channel and you have to go either talk about dancehall or go review some massacre music and something. And you see the part where him say, him did I go pack up one long time and I say, them nearly catch him. Remember me telling us when him say them nearly catch him, and the people them a worry about him, hear him now, him wife and him pitney good. So me I said to myself, so if you hide your voice and your face, but you go tell people say you have a wife and kid. You don't have no wife and kid, no, you're a fish, Either here nor there whether I lie or true, I tell. You can't hide your face and your voice and you tell the whole public say you have wife and kids. You see me? You don't have no wife and kids if you take the identity thing serious. Unless you not take it serious. Somebody read them up this and say, this man have no blow wife and kids, Lie, I tell this man is a fish, Yeah, man, but everything I forward full circle, the public I catch up. Remember me way ahead of my time would have figured them things like before me even left. From the hurricane, me figure out the whole of this. Say something right. Say he might look a escape because him channel pop down. Vybz Kartel not pay him no mind. You see me? And me tell you again, when me say him channel pop down, don't watch the 400,000 subscriber and the 100k views. He might feel struggle for topics. That's why you don't see him so often. He might feel struggle. As in here, one little something about Vybz Kartel and run out. But we're not going to do this again because we do this already. You see me? Me only a play back with the brother I say because me done say it a couple days ago. You see me? But if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, You see me? Like the video, share the video. And you see the red arrow there we point to the video there. It's fresh. You know, reach 24 hours yet. You see me? So if you don't watch it, go and go watch it now. You see me? I am DJ Dreadbeard, signing out.
DJ Dreadbeard. Subscribe now.